Hey guys, this is Jeff Tackwell here at Ruble Truck Sales. Wanted to showcase a truck that we just got back from our paint shop. So this is just a bare cabin chassis, but this is a 2026 Mack GR64B. This has the MP8 505 horse. It's got the Allison 4500 transmission in it. We literally just about blacked out everything on this truck. It came in black from the factory. But the tank, the steps, the battery box, the bumper, the rims, the visor, the mirrors, front bumper, everything we just about blacked out. The exhaust. So this is going to make a really sharp truck for somebody. When Gavin goes around the front, he'll show you the Bulldog on there as well, even on the mirror covers on there. Everything just turned out beautiful. We want to thank our guy who did this for us. But guys, this is a 190 CT, so we can put a Stellar hook lift, a Powfinger hook lift. We could also do a cable roll off. We could do a 22-foot cable roll off because this is a 190 CT. But you guys notice the details to the Mack: LED lighting, LED headlights. Heated headlights on that part of it as well. So just wanted to give you guys a preview of this truck. If you guys are looking for a truck, like I said, this one's ready to go either way. I mean, if you guys are looking for a hook lift or a cable roll off, you let us know, and then we can put on the corresponding hook. Like I said, we got Powfinger HT 500s. We got the Stellar NXT 52s available as well, or you could do a Galbraith cable roll off. We got American roll off, Golf Hab. So guys, this truck is ready to be purchased, ready to have something put on the back of it. If you guys got any questions, my name is Jeff Tackwell at Ruble Truck Sales, and Gavin Ruble, Aiden Ruble, Chris Mosier. Again, this truck's ready to go, totally blacked out.